Welcome. In this video I will show you how to debloat your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X machine. In order to do this, we're going to be using a popular PowerShell script called Windows 11 Debloat. It's available on GitHub, so all you have to do is connect to the internet, then search for Windows 11 Debloat and find among the results, find the GitHub refire/ Windows 11 Debloat. Open this web page, and now let's scroll down. As you can see, the latest version came out this October, and you have three methods of running the script. The quick method. Let me zoom in a little. The quick method, which lets you download and run the script automatically. The traditional method, which gives you more things to do with the script, and the advanced method for the advanced users. All the features that this script does are listed right here, like app removal, so removing the variety of pre-installed apps, removing telemetry, tracking and suggested content, Bing web search, Copilot and AI features, personalizations, file explorer, taskbar and many other things. So I recommend using the traditional method. So just expand the traditional method right here, then download the latest version of the script by tapping this hyperlink, swipe down, find source code app or zip file, and then open it. And now let's copy it into the downloads folder. Okay. Now open it, and what we want to do here is click the run folder, script. So just click run, then tap run. Maybe it's even better if we hold your finger down on this file and run it as administrator. It was that easy, right? Okay, run as administrator, then tap run and tap yes. Okay, let the PowerShell start running, and as you can see, we have three modes of removing files. The default mode, which will quickly apply the recommended changes, the custom mode, which will let us manually select the changes that we make, or the app removal mode, which will let us remove the apps that we want to remove. So you can select any option you want, but I'm gonna input to the second option to manually select what changes I want to make, and press enter. And then you have again four options. The first one is not removing any files. First one is only removing the default selection of apps. The second one is removing the default selection of apps, as well as mail and calendar apps and gaming related apps. And the third one is manually selecting which apps to remove. Let's select the third option. It gives us the most power. Okay, and so we got here the applications that will be removed. Let's hit this checkbox to only show the installed applications. Let's wait for a while. Okay, and so here you have this selection of applications that you can remove from your device. Just hit the checkbox next to the ones that you don't need, and this way you'll be able to adjust this list to your needs. You can also use check and check all in here at the top, but I'm gonna go with this selection just to show you what to do next. So let's click confirm. Now we are asked if you want to disable Xbox game screen recording, which also stops gaming overlay pop-ups. I don't think that it's a good idea, since we're using this device for gaming and we need the Xbox app. So let's select, let's input N. Should we disable telemetry diagnostic data activity history? I think, yeah, I think we can do that. So let's input Y. And now tips, tricks, suggestions, and adds and start settings, notifications, Explorer, lock screen, and Edge. Yes, let's input Y. Bing web search, Bing AI, and Cortana from Windows search. Yeah, I think we can do this too. Okay, now you can decide whether you don't want whether not to disable any AI features, or if you want to, you can disable Microsoft Copilot, Windows Recall, and click to do, or disable Microsoft Copilot, Windows Recall, click to do, and AI features in Microsoft Edge, Paint, and Notepad. I think I'm not gonna disable any AI features, so I'm just gonna input N. Windows Spotlight background on desktop. Okay. Yes. Dark mode for system and apps. No. Transparency, animations, and visual effects. Once again, you can select whether to install it or not. Just provide the respective letter. No, I don't want to restore Windows 10. Style context menu. No. Sticky keys, keyboard shortcut. Yeah, I think that will be a good idea. Disable fast startup. No. Network connectivity during modern standby. No. Okay, and do you want to make any changes to the start menu? Okay, I'm gonna skip this too. To the taskbar and related services, I'm gonna skip this too, but you can of course adjust it to yourself. Changes to File Explorer, I'm gonna leave it as is. Okay, and now if you want to quit, press Ctrl C, combination of keys. And if you want to confirm your choices and execute the script, press Enter. So let's call out the system restore. Okay, now yes. So that we can restore the previous version of the system in case we don't succeed. So let's wait. Yes, unfortunately, this restore point wasn't set up, but the script was executed anyway, and so the Windows got debloated, like more or less. Of course, you could have choose everything due to your preferences, but generally that's the way that you do it. And I hope that you like this video, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.